Hello everyone, it's Knoel from Knoel's Nook, and we're back with Rapidash 2.0, and boy does it have some ups and downs. So like in all my older Pokemon painting videos, I started off with a pencil sketch. While doing this sketch, I was doing my best to measure as I went, not laying any final details until I was happy with it. But as you'll soon see, this was not the case. That's right, I hated the pose and the fact that I made Rapidash too large to fit on the paper that I erased the entire image and started over. The final pencil sketch was definitely more dynamic and I liked it way more. I didn't mind that you could see the remnants of the old sketch because the color of the mane and tail would cover most of it up. Finally, I was happy with the image, so I began putting in details and darkening the pencil lines. Here's the part where I accidentally added dark orange without filming. I tried doing the flames a little bit differently from the first version. Instead of blotting and dabbing the pigment on, I planned the color placement a bit more precisely. Then for some reason I started getting crazy with the shading, using really harsh grays. This would have possibly worked if I would have given a similar treatment to the flames, adding darker values in there as well, but I didn't. And this is where the whole drawing goes downhill. Instead of leaving a pretty soft outline, I went for a pen. Mind you, this wouldn't have necessarily been bad, but these pens were just not working on this watercolor paper on top of the pencil wax as well, so I kept using thicker and thicker nibs and, well, I remember feeling pretty defeated by the end of this drawing. I felt like I'd put so much time into it and I went and ruined it in one fell swoop. But I'm here to say that no drawing or painting you do that doesn't turn out how you'd like should ever be counted as a loss. Chalk it up as a learning experience, gather yourself, and create something wonderful and new next time. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want to see more videos like this, as well as other art-related videos, I would totally appreciate if you would subscribe and remember to draw what you love and love what you draw.